Question 7 of this exercise says the perimeter of rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also find the area of the rectangle. So in this question, the perimeter is given, that is 130 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle is given, that is 30 centimeter. We have to find its length. And we know that the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. And perimeter is given, that is 130 centimeter, and we know the breadth, that is 30 centimeter. So we can easily find the length from here by multiplying it by 2. So it will become 130 centimeter, that equals to 2L plus 60 centimeter. Now 2L will equal to 130 centimeter minus 60 centimeter, which is same as 70 centimeter. So from here we'll get the value of L, that is 70 centimeter divided by 2, which is same as 35 centimeter. So that will be the length of the rectangle. Now we have to find the area of the rectangle, and we know that the formula to find the area of rectangle is L into B, and we know the L and B. So breadth is given, that is 30 centimeter, and length we have find out, that is 35 centimeter. So when we multiply them together, we will get 1050 square centimeter. So that will be the area of the rectangle.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.